this one is, yeah, it needs to come out. This needs to come out. And it needs to slide over just a little. Make sure we got enough at the top and bottom. You got it. Pee-pee taboo. And man, it's gonna be close. So let's just get it started like this. And we want about, we want it to come over the groove there. So we'll get
the groove.
Yeah, so we'll get a good bite when we put this in, right? We'll just roll it in. It's like so. Get our little spline in position so we can easily roll it. Then I just put my knife against it and pull on it so as to not cut the screen if possible. See if I can push it in a little. Oh, very well. Okay, so the top is done. Now you can come to the bottom, and if you just pull it kind of taut, it will tighten up as it pulls it into the we just want to line these guys up so they're not all crazy crooked if we can help it. And just push it in to start. Get a rough guesstimate of how much we need and cut that. You can go ahead and cut it just so you don't. And then we can just kind of pull it at the bottom over here and roll her in, and it should tighten up as it pushes it in. Oh gosh, what did I do? I don't know. Nothing. What is the main dealio here? Oh man, it's just not. It's like it's not going in or something. What is going on with you? What? It's like it's shallow. What is going on? Oh.
What? You didn't take it out?
It's got spline in there. No wonder. Get out of there. Come here. Come here, you little. Come here, you little. Go bug gobbler. Come here. Spline. You got to get the old stuff out. And this was a flat spline. I've never seen that, but oh well, some folks might like a flat spline. Not me. I don't care for it. Alright, let's this time let's try it again and straighten up our screen. Well, it looks pretty straight anyway. And let's get it started. Oh, that's much better. It's going in. And that should pull it pretty taut. Because...
I wish you'd let me do this.
Huh? Let you do it?
Yeah, I wish you would have told me how to do it and let me
Well, I mean, I'm kind of new to this myself, so I don't know all the tricks and all like that, but I'm just going to press it a little bit. I don't like rolling too much because you can lose control and break the screen. That would be good. Let's just pull it a little bit as get it in there. And that's already pretty tight. When you get your sides in, it's really gonna tighten up. Now, let me insert my poker and try to pull it off. There you go. And you can just go on in there. Good enough. And now we'll do one side. Don't think I'm gonna need any of this. Yes, so yes, you can come here. Come here. Yes, plenty. Another little piece of trash. Beep beep the boo. And I'll get a little veggie somewhere around in here. Yeah. And this way, I'm just gonna try to roll it. Just stay in the middle if you can. And rolling. Rolling down. Rolling Martin takes you where he goes. And I'm gonna go all the way down. Why not? Cause the spline will go right to there. Past the screen, I can't cut the screen this way. Now then. Last one, love. And this is really gonna be nice and tight. Just because something like this. And we're going about this long, yes. And now we're gonna get our roller piece and watch it tighten up. Look at her, look at her tighten. Oh, it's getting so nice and tight. Oh no, but wait a minute. What's going on here?
Oh no.
Oh, yes, it's still okay. We're gonna get plenty. Yes, 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 and if you grab it, it will go into the crack. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, come on, man. Why do you have to do that? Anyways, get a tie. Yes, and that will do. Bing, bang, boom. And then we can push it in some more. Be careful not to tear the screen. Be careful not to tear the screen. Okay. Now we cut off the excess. Might get it a little better later. Why is this one acting like it wants to come out? Well, that's just fine. Ooh. Bounce a nickel off that. Oh, watch out now. Oh, come on now, no.
Hit the screen and that's it.
And let's do this. Come on, let's go. I can't grab it. Mother. There we go. Wait a minute.